So yeah, here is another query. Here I'm with you guys regarding a question regarding Google Performance Max campaign, and that is yesterday I ran a Google Performance Max campaign for lead generation. I got 800 conversions, but when I download the form was empty. Kindly guide me. Where is my mistake? Please guide. If you want to run the Google lead generation ad, is this possible? We just send traffic to lead extension as it instead of final URL. Okay, so let me divide this question into two portions and answer it first. Okay, let's answer the first question and then I'm going to answer the second question. Okay, for the first question, you got 800 conversions, but when I download the form was empty. Where you created the form, technical issue. It can be technical issue. Okay, definitely it's not a Google issue but a website issue. Okay, wherever you have put the form, it has a form. Okay, there can be a boots as well, like ample of boots applying and submitting, so there can be boots issue as well, that ample of boots are applying on this. So kindly work out on those things, or website issue, or user submission error. Sometimes everything is right, but when you press the form button, you realize that the lead isn't that the lead isn't saved in your plugin software or whatever thing is using. So make sure to that cross check your form before running the campaign. Okay, and if it's possible, ideally click on your ad once it's live on Google and try to fill the lead form and click the button and check out, and like, did you actually got the lead? So do try this to make sure it's working or not. And regarding your second question on, and please give guide if you want to run the Google lead generation ad, is this possible? We just send traffic to lead extension instead of final URL. Okay, what happens is that Google actually prioritize you to land on the landing page, but again, once you are using the lead extension, the user has an option to directly click on that offer and get the submit button. So it's not difficult at all. And the lead extension, like the lead form, is where you are having the lead form. You are having it on the website. I mean, where you are having it. In case if it's just a form on a different page, nobody is going to fill. It seems more like a fake version of the website, and nobody is going to fill it. So having a lead form on a website or a proper landing page, gives more authority, more trust. So having the lead on landing page gives more trust. And yes, user can directly click on that rather clicking on your ad. You can just click on the direct lead submission, and people need convincing to fill the form. Needs convincing to fill the form. Here comes the role of the website. Because what you do with the website is you convince them by showing your testimonial, you convince them by showing your CTA, you convince them by showing your power words, why you need to bear it, you convince them with your authority, we are recognized with this, blah 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 blah. So here comes the role of the landing page. Landing page gives the user urge, convince, trust to actually fill the form. So which is why I recommend you to have the landing page. So yeah, I hope it answers your question, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss a video whenever I create one. And in case if you are looking to hire us or work with us regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or SEO management services, you are more than welcome to work with us. The details are in the description of this video. Once again, thank you and bye bye.